Welcome to today's Tech Spotlight, where we explore the all-new Google Pixel 10, where stunning image capture meets groundbreaking AI. Section 1. Unmatched Camera Power. At the heart of the Pixel 10 lies a powerful triple camera array. The main sensor delivers vivid, detailed shots with 48-megapixel clarity. For dazzling wide-angle perspectives, the ultra-wide lens expands your view. But the real showstopper? A brand new 5x telephoto lens that unlocks up to 20x super res zoom, capturing sharp detail from incredible distances. Section 2. Brilliant in any light. Low light? No problem. Pixel 10 shines with night sight, capturing crisp portraits, expansive panoramas, and even the Milky Way. Macro focus lets you zero in on the smallest wonders: raindrops, snowflakes, texture, even when the scene is dimly lit. Section 3. Selfies and wide views. Selfies get smarter with the front-facing 10.5-megapixel camera featuring autofocus and a sweeping 95-degree field of view, perfect for group snapshots or dramatic scenery. The ultra-wide rear lens ensures breathtaking landscapes and wider interiors are captured in one perfect frame. Section 4. AI that actually helps the Pixel 10 goes beyond hardware. Meet Magic Q, your on-device AI assistant that pulls relevant info from apps like Gmail, Calendar, or screenshots, so you can respond faster without flipping through tabs. From reminders to itinerary details, it's there before you ask. And then there's Camera Coach, a real-time compositional guide that helps you frame the perfect shot, whether you're snapping a portrait or framing landscapes. No scrolling, no edits. Just point, listen, and shoot. Section 5. The faster, smarter core. Under the hood, the Tensor G5 chip fuels Pixel's leaps in AI performance. From voice-mirrored translations, your speech in your voice, to AI-driven photo editing and even journaling, this chip keeps everything fast, adaptive, and private. On-device with zero waiting. Section 6. Pricing and availability. Launching in the United States on August 20th, the Pixel 10 arrives at the same price as its predecessor, starting at $799. Pro models and the foldable variants carry premium price tags, with the Pro model beginning at $999 and the Pro Fold soaring to $1,799. Section 7. Why it stands out. 7 years of software and security updates means the Pixel 10 isn't just cutting edge, it's future-ready. Plus, the integration of AI across everything, from photography to real-time assistance, sets a new bar for smartphones this year. From stunning optics and intelligent AI to long-term support, the Pixel 10 invites you to ask more of your phone and get so much more in return. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us what you're most excited about.